There is a very slight variation when you find you have three variables instead of the four variables that we have done. The only thing we do is to reduce the number of rows from 4 to 2, such that the 2 can be used to represent the one variable. That is a really significant bit. And in that case, what you do is that the AB remains the same way we presented them. But see, now we only have two possibilities, 0 or a 1. And for that reason, these are the possibles that you can have: A, B, C bar, everything. And similarly, the way you have done with the others. And I think the best way to look at this is via an example so that you can see the procedure for solving, simplifying a Boolean expression using three variable K-map. So again, like we have seen, this is my three variable K-map, this is my AB, this is my C, and we just feed in the way we have done in the others, and we know what each of those means, and therefore whenever we find with the A bar, B bar, we know this is our first row, and C is not bad, therefore this becomes a 1. That means that is represented. Again, A bar, B bar, C bar represents this is C bar. We have a 1 there, that is represented. A, B bar, that is here, and we have C bar, which is here. Where they intersect, you put a 1, that is represented. A bar, again B bar, and with the C and inverted comes here because that is a C. Where they intersect, you have a 1. And finally, we have ABC, where they intersect. This is AB, and this is C. We have a 1 there. And therefore, the next thing is to do the grouping. And the grouping, we can say we don't have a group of 8, but we can have a group of 4, which you can form by forming a vertical cylinder. That is that one, and that forms group 1. And the other group 2 can be formed from here. This is formed by group 2. Therefore, we can look at what variable is not changing in these two. Clearly, A is changing from 0 to 1, but B remains 0, which is bar, and then C is changing in both of them. Therefore, that group of 4 can be represented by B bar, and this group can be represented with A that is not changing, 1 at 1, and B, C is not changing as 1. So we can say that Z becomes B bar or A, C. So we might also meet two variable K-map. Two variable K-map is rather very simplistic, and therefore its use is rather trivial, but we can still look at it. For instance, we have a two variable expression, Y, like represented here. You would have A, the most significant variable on the columns, and the least significant variable B on the rows. And therefore, you know this is varying from 0 to 1, 0 to 1. And therefore, we have A bar, B bar, means this is where we have a 1 there. A, B bar, right here. And finally, A bar, B here. So again, we don't have any groups of 4 here, but we have a group of 2. We can form that group and form that group, meaning that this is equivalent to a B bar, and this is equivalent to a bar. And therefore, when you simplify this using Y, you can, using the K-map, you can realize that Y becomes A bar or B bar.